Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the specific potential energy. We have an object 51 meters above the reference point, and gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown one. So we got 51 meters, mass is unit mass, gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, and it is the specific potential energy. Step 3, find the formula for potential energy. It is the specific one, so it's just gravity multiplied by height. We can ignore mass in this case. Step 4, find the potential energy, specific, so it's just gravity 9.8 meters per second squared multiplied by 51 meters, and then multiplied by your conversion factor to get it into kilojoules per kilogram. So you get 0.4998 kilojoules per kilogram for your specific potential energy. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. And before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using sniffing tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and type in sniffing tool, and then open the program. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of sniffing tool. If you never used sniffing tool before, follow these instructions below. So once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button on your sniffing tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, then hit the red square in sniffing tool to stop recording, and then save your video. So, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.